I'm Arita Ekstrom, Instructional Developer at the Faculty Center for Innovative Teaching at Central Michigan University. Welcome to another session of Take 5 for Teaching, a 5-minute video on tips and techniques for better student learning. This session will cover time on task, the 5th item in Chickering and Gamson's Good Practices in Undergraduate Education. Time plus energy equals learning is the basis for this item according to Chickering and Gamson. Both parts, time and energy, are important. Learning can be enhanced by first increasing the amount of time and energy that students spend on the course materials, second, by actively engaging with them during class time, and third, by reducing the time and energy expended on auxiliary tasks within the course. First, what can you do to increase the time plus energy part of the equation? One way is to create interesting assignments. Students love to have assignments that relate to the real world, so discuss how your assignments relate to what they'll be doing after graduation. Stories or newspaper articles are great for this. Or invite a guest speaker that can point to this class being pivotal in accomplishing a task. It can do wonders for motivation. One type of interesting assignment is to create web quests. A web quest is an inquiry-oriented lesson with the answers on the web. Students really enjoy doing them. It fits right into their interest in timely topics, as well as games. And who doesn't like to search for the correct answer? Perhaps in history class, students could search in newspapers for the earliest record of a topic and follow the news to see how it unfolded. Or check out newspapers in different parts of the country. Is there a difference in how the story was covered? Second, how can you increase active learning? Some of the items that were discussed in the Active Learning Take 5 video also come into play here. Why? Well, any connection between the students and the course material can increase the time they're thinking about your topic and engaging with it. Some methods include online discussions, journals, or blogs between classes. Consider using video or audio clips so students can listen to or view the in-class materials again. Did you know we can podcast and are in iTunes U? If you use PowerPoint, post an outline for students to use when reading the text before class. During class, they can fill in additional details, and then after class, it can be used for study and review. Use Blackboard to post links to learning objects, or have students create learning objects as an assignment. Then keep the best ones for another year's classes. And third, how can you reduce the time and energy expended on auxiliary tasks? Try to save students time in processes. Why? Well, any time you can save students in a non-instructional procedure can hopefully lead to additional time spent on the course materials. For example, if you use electronic reserves instead of paper ones, the library will send you a link which can be posted in your Blackboard course shell. Students have 24/7 access, are more likely to actually read the material, and you don't have to worry about copyright issues. Use a discussion board for answering questions so everyone can see the answers. Then you can create a frequently asked questions area for later semesters. Use the assignment feature in Blackboard for turning in homework. Also, if you have specific questions to answer, post them in the course shell. Students can download the Word document and answer the questions without having to rekey them. CMU has information on various aspects of teaching on Facet's website and tutorials that can guide you through creating assignments, adding links to your course, and setting up a discussion board. We also have staff to help you with using audio or video in your class and embedding it into Blackboard, and resources for creating web quests and other active learning methods. If you need assistance with increasing time on task, any of the tools mentioned, or anything else pertaining to teaching and learning, please call Facet at 774-3615.